As Kampala continues to grapple with recurring floods, stakeholders in collaboration with the Uganda Law Society have voiced growing frustration over what they describe as avoidable disasters caused by the negligence and poor urban planning. Thadras Musoke said when the Nakivubo channel gets blocked, the entire city floods, disrupting the livelihoods and damaging property. He emphasized that the city cannot continue responding to predictable disasters without addressing their root causes.
First of all, we were consulted as traders when they were constructing the Nani motorized road. Unfortunately, currently, even now, cars use that road. That stretch from Namirembe Road to Room Street. Basing on our knowledge, it seems the tunnels which were used or designed, they were narrow. Ever since the construction of that road, reconstruction, we started getting reports from Quarry Seraked. We started to get reports from Nabukera and some more buildings on Nabugabo Road.
Musoke further called for a fair and comprehensive review of the Nakivubo report involving the key institutions such as the Ministry of Works and Transport, NEMA, and the Ministry of Gender to ensure accountability and informed action.
It was resolved that the technical team for KCCA should avail a comprehensive report. But our position as NETA is, why can't the Ministry of Works also be on board? Let the KCCA technical team be on board, NEMA be on board, and different stakeholders to make sure that the report is fair and transparent.
The Uganda Law Society Treasurer Isiko Arthur described the ongoing flooding crisis as more than just a normal disaster, calling it a clear sign of deeper governance and legal failures within the city management structures.
We saw NEMA coming out strongly against people who are building houses in Lubigi and other areas that have wetlands. In this particular issue, the Nakivubo channel that was destroyed, we believe was an area that NEMA should have picked interest and should have come out comprehensively with a study, with recommendations on what should be done and what shouldn't be done.
Meanwhile, Marion Chirabo, a downtown trader who lost property in the floods, called for an impartial investigation and prosecution of all those responsible, accusing authorities of attempting to shield key figures from accountability.
Knowing the implications, knowing that people in the past have been dying because of this increase in floods during the rainy season, and no one lifted a finger. I think it takes a kind of wickedness for you to sit and watch people's property just being washed away.
The residents and the business owners alike have urged the government to prioritize lasting drainage solutions and stronger enforcement of urban planning regulations to prevent the future outcomes.
The council is a policy maker, forwards the policies it has made to the technical wing for implementation, and then gets support from the ministry.
When someone takes up public land, KCC land, a grand grabber comes. How do you write a grand grabber that you can continue constructing?
With lives and livelihoods repeatedly threatened by flooding, stakeholders say it is time for the government agencies to move beyond reports and take tangible action, ensuring that accountability and preparedness become the new standard for Kampala's urban resilience.